Okay, this is a video of the snowstorm of January 12th. This is crazy. This is the front of my house, a balcony area. That right there is an explorer that you can't really see. That's insane. It's covered by snow. Look at the snow. Look at the amount of snow. This is crazy. And they say that we still have 4 more hours.